In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the OneDrive Exe bad image error, status 0xc0000020. If you've encountered this frustrating issue on your computer, don't worry, we're going to tackle it together with just a few straightforward steps. By the end of this tutorial, your OneDrive should be back to functioning smoothly. Let's get started. First, we need to open the command prompt as an administrator. To do this, you'll want to press the Windows key and the letter X on your keyboard simultaneously. This key combination brings up a menu on the left side of your screen, offering you several useful options. From this menu, you can select either Command Prompt Admin or, depending on your system version, Terminal Admin. It's essential to run this as an administrator because we're going to perform operations that require elevated permissions. Once you have the command prompt or terminal open in administrator mode, you'll be greeted by a window with a blinking cursor indicating it's ready for your commands. Now we're going to type in sfc-scano and then press the enter key. Let's break that down. SFC stands for System File Checker, a handy tool built into your Windows operating system. The scano part tells the tool to scan the integrity of all protected system files and attempt to repair them if any issues are found. After hitting enter, System File Checker will start going through your system files. This process might take some time, so be patient. You don't need to sit in front of your computer watching it work, but do check in occasionally to see if it has finished. As the System File Checker runs, it scans for any corrupted files and attempts to repair them. Corrupted files can often lead to errors and glitches like the OneDrive Exe bad image error we've been dealing with. The beauty of this tool is that it addresses these issues for you, seeking out the source of the problem. Once the scan is complete, the command prompt will report its findings to you. If it finds any integrity violations, it will let you know whether they were successfully repaired. If no errors are detected, that's good news as well. You can close the command prompt window at this point, and there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've used the built-in Windows tools to potentially resolve the OneDrive Exe bad image error, status 0xc0000020. If the error persists, it may require further troubleshooting, but often this method resolves the issue for many users. Thank you for watching, and hopefully your OneDrive is now back on track.